Okay, so let us continue our discussion on addition and subtraction of fractions and mixed fractions with or without regrouping. So this time, it is about on subtraction of similar fractions naman. How do we subtract similar fractions? We subtract similar fractions by subtracting only their numerators, then copy their common denominators. If the result or answer can be reduced to lowest term, we have to reduce it in its simplest form. Pag sinabing simplest form, sa pinaka-lowest term. Okay? Examples. What is 9/10 minus 6/10? Okay, so ito ngayon ang solusyon. 9/10 minus 6/10 is equal to, so 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Then we copy their common denominator. Hindi natin pinagsusubtract ang denominator. So that is 10. So the answer is 3/10. Hindi na siya pwedeng ma-lowest term, kaya't yan na po ang magiging sagot. Pangalawang halimbawa, subtract 3/12 from 11/12. Okay? So the word from, ibig sabihin, ito yung pagbabawasan, 11/12. At ito yung ibabawas na unang fraksyon. Kaya kapag isulat natin, ito na po sa solusyon. Mauuna yung 11/12 minus 3/12 is equal to, so 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. Then we copy again their common denominator, which is 12. Ang 8/12 po ay pwede pang mai-lowest term. Okay? So, isip tayo ng magiging common divisor or the greatest common factor nitong numerator at saka denominator. At ang kanilang magiging greatest common factor ay 4. Okay? So, 8 divided by 4 ay 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So, ito po ngayon yung lowest term ng 8/12, which is 2/3. Okay? Next, find the difference of 11/5 minus 4/5. Okay? So, we have here the solution. Isulat natin ng ating solution. 11/5 minus 4/5. So, 11 minus 4 is equal to 7/5. So, dahil ang nagiging sagot po natin ay improper fraction, isi-simplify po natin ito sa pamamagitan ulit ng natutunan natin kanina, yung sa addition na we divide the numerator by the denominator. This is 7 divided by 5. So, 7 divided by 5, we have an answer of 1. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. Okay? So, we subtract 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So, ito yung magiging numerator. Kaya yun yung numerator natin doon. Kaya ang nagiging sagot ay 1 and 2/5. So, yan ang magiging sagot. Sinimplify natin ang improper fraction na yan, 7/5. Okay. So next na tatalakayan natin ay subtraction of mixed fraction. How do we subtract mixed fraction? Okay. In subtracting mixed fractions, we subtract first the fractions by subtracting only their numerators, then copy their common denominators. Next to subtract are the whole numbers. Example, subtract 7 4/5 minus 2 2/5. Okay? So, four minus 2. 4 minus 2, sulat natin ng patayo kasi mas mahirap kapag nakapahiga. Pero pwede natin namang gawin ganon. Okay? So, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then, we copy their common denominator, which is 5. After subtracting itong fraction na ito, sunod natin na isubtract ang whole number na si 7 at saka 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So, eto ngayon, hindi na rin siya pwedeng mai-lowest term yung fraction. Kaya't ito na ang magiging sagot. 5 2/5. Next, na halimbawa, what is 10 7/10 minus 4 3/10? So, isulat natin ulit ng patayo. So, ganyan, 10 7/10. So, we subtract again the numerator. 7 minus 3, we have 4. Then, we copy their common denominator, which is 10. After subtracting the fractions, isunod naman natin ngayon ang whole numbers. 10 minus 4 is 6. So, we have now an answer of 6 4/10. But, ang 4/10 na ito ay pwede pang mai-lowest term. May GCF ang dalawang ito. At ang GCF nila ay 2. 2 ang pang-divide natin dyan. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So, ang final na sagot ay 6 2/5. Okay, next. Examples. Subtract 8 minus 8/10. So, kung nakikita nyo, walang fraction itong itong pagbabawasan natin. Ito ay isang whole number lamang. So, 8 minus 8/10. Whole number, babawasan ng fraction. So, ang gagawin natin, itong whole number na ito ay i-rename natin. Ito yun. Sa pamamagitan ng pagbawas natin sa whole number ng isa at gagawin nating fraction equal to 1. Nagagayahin natin. So, ito yung whole number na ibinawas natin. Nagagayahin natin yung denominator na yan. Kaya ang denominator nung ibinabawas natin ay 10. So, ang 1 ay magiging 10/10. Diba napag-aralan natin sa mga lower grades natin na ang fraction equal to 1 ay same numerator and denominator. Okay? So, ang 8 ay nagiging 7 10/10 na ngayon kasi binawasan natin ng isa si 8 at ginawa natin fraction equal to 1. Okay, pwede na tayong makapagbawas. So, 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Then we copy their common denominator, which is 10. Ang naging sagot ay 7 2/10. Ang 2/10 na ito ay pwede ring mai-lowest term. Yan ay may GCF ang numerator at denominator na 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So, Yan po ang nagiging sagot. 7 and 1/5. Okay. Ito naman ngayon, pang-apat na halimbawa. Subtract 9/15 from 12. Ulit, may salitang from na naman. Na kung saan, kapag may salitang from, ito ngayon yung maging maunang fraction kapag magbawas na tayo. Ang ibabawas natin ay itong unang fraction. So, 12 minus 9/15. Ulit, itong whole number na ito na pagbabawasan natin ay babawasan natin ng isa, kaya naging 11. At yung isa ulit na yun na ibinawas ay gagawin natin ulit na fraction equal to 1. Nagagayahin nung denominator ng ibinabawas na fraction. 15 yung denominator na yon. So, ang fraction equal to 1 natin ay 15/15. Okay? So, si 12 ay naging 11 and 15/15. Minus 9/15. So, 15 minus 9 is 6. We copy again 15 as the common denominator. So, ang naging sagot ay 11 and 6/15. Pero si 6/15 ulit ay pwedeng mailo-lowest term. Mayroon silang GCF na 3. 6 divided by 3 ay 2. 15 divided by 3 ay 5. So, ito ngayon ang final na sagot. 11 and 2/5. Okay. So, tayo naman ngayon ay dadako sa addition and subtraction of fractions in mixed fractions with or without regrouping. Pero ito naman ngayon ay sa dissimilar fractions. Okay, ano nga ba ulit ang dissimilar fractions? Ang dissimilar fractions are set or group of fractions having different denominators. So may halimbawa tayo dito, 3/8, 5/9, 1/5, 2/7, 10/3. Okay? Kung napapansin ninyo, yung kanilang denominator ay magkakaiba. Kaya tinawag na dissimilar fractions kasi set or group of fractions having different denominators. Magkakaiba ang denominator. Sa pangalawang halimbawa, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5. Napapansin nyo, magkakaparehas ang numerator. Pero ang sinabi kanina, dissimilar sila kapag magkakaiba ang denominator. So, magkakaiba sila 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? How do we add dissimilar fractions? So, we have the steps in adding or subtracting dissimilar fractions. Una, first is make the fractions similar. In making the fractions similar, we have to find the LCD or the LCM of the denominators. Yung denominators ang ihanapan natin ng LCD or tinatawag din nating LCM. After finding the LCD or the LCM of the denominators, use this to convert the fractions into similar fractions by dividing the LCM by their respective denominators, then the quotient be multiplied with their respective numerators. After changing the fractions into similar fractions, you can add or subtract the fractions already by following the procedures in adding and subtracting similar fractions. Kasi naging similar na sila. So, igagaya pa rin natin sa naunang pinag-aralan natin na addition and subtracting similar fractions. Then reduce the